Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to get my AI on Snapchat. So my AI is a new chat feature that Snapchat has just rolled out, in which you can chat with AI which is based on Chat GPT. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all you need to open up the Snapchat application on your Android and iOS, and then basically you need to tap on the messages icon here, and now here at the top you will see my AI chat. Okay, so you can basically start conversation with AI. So this is an AI chatbot that will basically reply to your messages. So if I type here hello, how are you, and send it, then it will message me back, okay, like this. So you can basically like do conversations with my AI. But how do you basically get this my AI? So first of all you need to basically go to the Play Store and update your Snapchat application. Okay, so just type here Snapchat. Okay, if you are on Android, go to the Play Store, and if you are on Apple iOS, then go to the Apple App Store and update your Snapchat application. Okay, so if it says update like this, just tap on this and it will update your Snapchat application. Now there is no particular way to get the my AI, because when you update your application, then Snapchat team will basically roll out this feature to your Snapchat account. Okay, so that's how to get my AI on Snapchat. But you need to just update your Snapchat application from Play Store or App Store. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.